In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a collage in Pixlr in seconds, even if you've never used the collage tool before. This is a super easy way to turn a bunch of separate photos into one clean, polished design for social media, thumbnails, memories, mood boards, or anything else you want to create. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Pixlr Photo Collage Maker. Once the tool loads, you'll see a simple layout that makes the whole process fast and beginner-friendly. The first thing you need to do is upload your photos. At the top of the page, click the Select Photos button, then choose the images you want to include from your device. You can select a few photos or a larger batch depending on the collage you want to build. After your images upload, Pixlr will automatically analyze them and suggest different collage layouts for you. This is one of the best parts of the tool because it saves you a lot of setup time. You'll usually see options like simple grids, more creative shapes, or mixed combinations based on how many photos you added. Take a moment to browse the suggestions and pick the style that fits your goal best. If you want something clean and organized, go with a grid. If you want something more dynamic and modern, choose a more creative layout. Once your layout is selected, you can start customizing the collage. If the photo order doesn't look quite right, you can rearrange the images by dragging and dropping them into different cells. This makes it easy to put your most important photo in the best spot without starting over. If a picture feels cropped the wrong way or doesn't sit perfectly in its frame, just double-click or double-tap that image. From there, you can scale it, zoom in, or slide it around until the framing looks better. Now let's talk about the style controls, because this is where you can really make the collage feel more polished. Use the menu options to adjust the spacing between each cell if you want a tighter or more open look. You can also change the border thickness to make the collage look bold or minimal. If you want a softer design, round off the corners of the cells. And if the default background doesn't match your photos, you can change the canvas background color to better fit your theme. This is a great time to experiment a little. A small change in spacing, borders, or background color can completely change the mood of your final collage. If you're making something for Instagram, keep it clean and balanced. If you're creating a personal photo montage, you can make it more playful and expressive. The nice thing about Pixlr is that you can preview your changes quickly and keep adjusting until everything looks just right. When you're happy with the final result, it's time to save your project. Click Save Collage, and Pixlr will prepare your finished image for download. In most cases, you'll be able to save it as a high-quality PNG or JPEG, which is perfect for sharing online or printing later. Once it downloads, your collage is ready to use anywhere you want. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a collage in Pixlr in seconds. It's fast, simple, and a great way to turn multiple photos into one eye-catching design without needing advanced editing skills. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.